Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this Laravel video we will learn what is one-to-one relation in Laravel. In the previous video we have learned what is mutator in Laravel. So in this video we will learn about the relations in Laravel. So first of all we will learn what is relations in Laravel, and after that we will learn one-to-one relationships, and we need to make a one controllers and two models to show the example of one-to-one relations. So after that we will make the relations and show the data in the model. So for that we need to open the project which we have created in the previous video. So let us open the project. So this is the project which we have created in the previous video. This is the database. We have created a companies table in the previous video and users tables in the previous video. Now we have two records in the companies table and user ID in the company table, and three user in the users table. So first of all let us understand what is relations in Laravel. Actually relations in Laravel fetching the data from the two tables on the behalf of any similar key is relation. So one-to-one relation is that suppose one user can work in a single company at a time. Means one user cannot work more than one company at a time. So this is the one-to-one relationship, because one user can work in one company at a time, not in two company at a time. One user can work. So let us see the example how to implement this relations in Laravel. So we have created the users model and company model already. As I told you, we need two models and one controller to show the example of. So we have already created the users controller. So let us return the all users. Now you can see we are getting three users. You can see three users. We are getting three users. So let us create the function. First of all we get one user which have ID 11. Find, we will pass ID. So let us refresh this page. Now you can see we are getting only one user which have ID 11. So let us create the function. Public function get company. Return this has one, and we will pass the model path app models slash company. You can see this one. So let us copy this function. Now we are getting, when we pass the ID, we are getting only users. So if we want to get the company name which have user ID 11, this one, test company 1. So we need to call that function get company. So let us refresh. Now you can see we are getting the company which have user ID 11. So you can see we have got the one company. So in this video we have learned what is one-to-one relation. So in the next video we will learn one-to-many relation in Laravel. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.